top row. Select space top number or percent. By this time, we're going to use number. Later, sasabihin ko kung paano yung percent. Okay? Then after that, column name from your table name. For example, in MySQL syntax, we have Oracle and MySQL syntax. Iba ang ginagamit sa Oracle at iba rin yung gamit sa MySQL. In our case, we're using Microsoft Access. That's why we need to use the MySQL. Try to analyze the difference between Oracle and MySQL. Select column name from table name, limit number. For example, select all information or data from person's table, limit to 5. For example, you have 10 records in your table. Tapos, pinupusan mo yung SQL. Nakunin niya lahat ng information o data mula sa person's table. Pero ililimit mo lang siya sa 5. From 10 records, the first 5 records, yun lang yung lalabas. Do you understand? Yeah. The first 5 records lang yung lalabas. Now, in Oracle syntax, select column name from table name where row number is less than or equal to a specific number. Okay. Select all information from persons where row number is less than or equal to 5. For example, you have 10 records. Sabi mo, kunin mo lahat ng information o data mula sa person's table na kung saan ang row number ay less than or equal to 5. So what do you think will be the result? 5 pa rin. Equal to 5, di ba? Do you understand? Kasi meron kayong 10 records eh. Wala naman kayong less than sa 5 na records. So, 5 pa rin yung lalabas nyo. Do you understand? Yes. Any question? Now, let's go to SQL top clause. Kanina ang gamit natin limit at saka row number, di ba? Ngayon, balik tayo sa top clause. From this given person's table, how many records or how many information we have? Apat, di ba? Apat yung ating records. We want to select only the 2 first records. Yung unang dalawang record, yun yung una natin kukunin. We use the following syntax or statement. Under top clause, select space top 2 all information or data from person's table. So what will be the result? Kukunin niya yung dalawang unang records mula sa table. So ito yung babae. Si Hansen at si Spencer. Do you understand? What if I put select top 3? Pagkama natin, do you understand? Dito ang gamit natin, numerical value, number, at paano kung percentage. Gusto ko percentage. What is the proper syntax or the proper statement used? Kung percentage. Kasi sabi natin, pwedeng number, pwedeng percentage. So, select all information or select top, for example, 75%. Okay? Select top 75% all information from person's table. Okay? Kailangan mo isulat yung word na percent. Okay? Para ma-recognize ng student. So from this given syntax and this given table, sabi mo, kunin mo yung top 75%. Lahat ng records, lahat ng data mula sa person's table. So what is the 75% of 4? 3, diba? Tatlo. So ano ang magiging output? What will be the result? 100%. Do you understand? Yan yung difference. Kung gusto mo gamitin numerical value, tatlo. O kung gusto mo percentage, 75%. Do you understand? In any condition, for example, you have a table named sales. Nilagyan mo ngayon ng relation between your person's table and sales information table. Gusto mo ngayon mahanap kung ilan o kung magkano na yung nabibenta ng produkto. So the top sales, di ba? So, select top 75%. For example, you have this quantity sales is information record, SIR. Tapos dito, 20,000, 30,000, 40,000, 50,000. Okay. What is the proper syntax? Gusto mong mahanap, you want to know who is the highest salesperson for this week. So, gusto mong mahanap kung sino. What will be the right syntax? Select, tab, then, SIR, tab 10 or tab 2. Tab 2, SIR from person's table. So, magiging lalabas niyan. Select, tab 2, SIR from person. Okay. Nasaan ba yung SIR mo? O yung sales information record entity, di ba ito? So, kunin mo daw yung top 2 na